Oh, what do you know? This is also a homework question. A doctor has an annual income of $152,125. Gosh, I wish I had that income. The income tax the doctor has to pay is 6%. What is the amount of income tax in dollars and cents that the doctor has to pay? So just like regular sales tax, we're taking the total and multiplying by the decimal, 0.06. 6 times 5 is 30. 12, 30, 15. Oops, that goes there. Nope, I don't have any erasers. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 6 times 2 is 12. That's 31. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. Here I have two numbers after the decimal, which means in my answer I'm going to have two. $9,127.15.